Questions, 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 questions. In today's lesson, we are going to practice how to make questions. Most conversations always start with a question, so it's really important that you know how to ask questions in English. Today, we're going to be practicing how to ask the question, have you ever? Now, just with every one of my videos, I want you to make sure you watch until the end because the middle part of this video will be a chance for you to actually make questions. This is a chance where you can practice your English speaking by making questions. Today's lesson, we're focusing on have you ever. A have you ever question is very commonly used in English. And this question is used to ask about somebody's experiences. We're asking about if you have done something. So when I ask a have you ever question, this question is asking you about your whole life, from when you were a baby all the way until now. So, in order to make a have you ever question, please use the following pattern. Have you ever plus a past participle. Okay, what's a past participle? A past participle is the third position of the past tenses. So, if I have a verb go, the past tense is went, and the past participle is gone. Okay, so we're going to be using this third position, the past participle. If any of you have watched some of my shorts that I make, I have made a lot of shorts testing you on your past participles. So make sure you watch those as well. It's a really good chance for you to practice your past participles and review your vocabulary. Let's look up at the screen now. You will see a picture. This is a picture of sushi. Now, we need to next figure out what verb will I use for sushi? What verb can I use for any food? If we're talking about food, the most common verb we will use is eat. Now, I must figure out what is the past participle of eat. So we have eat, ate, and eaten. All right, so if you got that back home, that's great. So today we will be using eaten for this picture. Now, if we look at the pattern, we have you ever plus eaten. Now, eaten we can put into the pattern. So my question would be, have you ever eaten sushi? Okay, one more time. Have you ever eaten sushi? This means I want to know in your whole life, from when you were born until now, have you ever eaten sushi? Do you have this experience? If it's yes, your answer is, yes, I have. But if you've never eaten sushi, then you would say, no, I haven't. Okay, so simple answers, yes, I have, no, I haven't. All right, do you understand? Did you get that? If you're still not sure about how we make the questions, just rewatch this last part again. So that brings us to the active part of this lesson. This is where you get a chance to make questions. We are going to do the same thing as the example. I'm going to put a picture up here. After you see the picture, I want you to think of the verb, think of the past participle of that verb, and then make the question. It's really important now that you actually speak the question out at home. This will actually help you with your speaking practice. Also, write it down as if you want, and you can put them down in the comments section, and I'll check all of your questions for you. All right, so let's move to the active part now. Okay, situation number one, please look at this photo. After you look at the photo, think of the verb, think of the past participle, and make a question. All right, so this is a picture of scuba diving. So my question would be, have you ever gone scuba diving? With any ing action, scuba diving, surfing, swimming, shopping, we always use the verb go. Go shopping, go scuba diving. So in this question, have you ever gone scuba diving? If you have, if anybody's gone scuba diving back who's watching this video right now, please let me know. Let me know about all of your experiences. All right, situation number 2. Please look at the picture here. Make sure you think of a verb, think of the past participle of that verb, and then make your question. My question here, this is a picture of USA, the United States of America. So my question would be, have you ever been to USA? Have you ever been to USA? Situation number 3, please look at the picture. Think of your verb, think of the past participle, and speak out loud back at home. My answer, this is a picture of a UFO. A UFO. My question would be, have you ever seen a UFO? Have you ever seen a UFO? Have you? Have you ever seen a UFO? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. For me, I think yes, I have. I saw something when I was in high school, something in the sky. It was big, it was green. Maybe it was a UFO. Okay, situation number 4. Please look at the photo. Think of your verb, your past participle. All right, for me, I see a picture of a horse. Maybe the verb I would think of is ride, ride. So, have you ever ridden a horse? Have you ever ridden a horse? I actually have never. I have never ridden a horse. Okay, before we move to the last situation, this is a great chance for me to ask you if you like this video, and if you like all of my videos, please subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. All right, situation number 5. I want you to look at the photo, think of the verb, and make a question. Make sure you're speaking the question out at home. Okay, so for me, I see a picture here. Kind of looks like a celebrity, maybe a famous person. So for me, I would choose the verb see. So what's the past participle? See, saw, and seen, right? So my question would be, have you ever seen a famous person? Or maybe, have you ever seen a celebrity? Some of you might have used the word meet. So meet, met, met. Now it is different. See and meet are different. See is you're just seeing the person with your eyes. You're actually not talking. There is no contact. But meet means that you're actually talking to the person. You've maybe introduced yourself. So there is some verbal contact. Okay, so that was 5 situations. I hope you made the questions at home. I hope you actually spoke out the questions to practice your speaking. If you got any of those questions wrong, if you're not sure about your questions, leave them down in the comments section. If you are still not sure, rewatch the video and try these situations again. All right. And again, please subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Hit the notification bell and give me a big thumbs up as well. And always look out. I've got new videos coming out almost daily. So until the next video, see ya.